In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a time blocking system using Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can help organize your day to keep you focused and increase your productivity. By the end of this video, you'll have a customizable system to efficiently allocate your tasks and monitor your progress. Let's get started by opening Notion and logging into your account. If you haven't already signed up, head over to notion.so and create an account. Once you're all set and logged in, we can dive right into creating your new time block table. On the left sidebar, you're going to see a plus sign next to New Page. Clicking on this will open a blank page that simply says New Page at the top. This is your blank canvas where we'll build our time blocking system. To add a table, scroll to the bottom of your new page. Here, you'll have several database options, but for our task today, we need to select Database followed by Table. Instantly, a new table appears before you. This is where you'll document your time blocks and keep everything neatly organized. Let's move on to editing the columns in this table to fit our needs. Take the first column and rename it to Task. This column will hold the tasks or activities you plan to accomplish. Next, we'll add a new column by clicking on the plus sign. For our purpose, select Date as the column type, and then name it Time Block. In the settings for this Date column, go ahead and enable two options. Include time and end date. This allows you to set specific start and end times for each of your tasks, offering much finer control over your schedule. With your table structure in place, it's time to switch to a more visual overview. Look at the top of your table, where you'll find a view setting called Table. Next to this, there's an option to Edit View. Click on that, then select Timeline from the layout options. Give it a name, like Daily Time Blocks. This view is particularly powerful, as you can now drag tasks across the timeline, giving you a clear, visual representation of your day's plan. Finally, it's time to customize the look and feel of your timeline. At the top of the page, you should see three little dots in a vertical line. Once you click these, choose Layout. Here you can adjust colors, organize your tasks into groups, or change the scale from day to week to month, depending on how detailed you want your view to be. And there you have it, your own time blocking system in Notion. This method is not only great for organizing your tasks, but also has a transformative effect on your productivity. Enjoy experimenting with your new layout and see how much more productive your days can become with just a little planning and organization.